At the heart of Reservio is the scheduling calendar, your command center for keeping on top of your schedule. Instantly see all your appointments for the day or week, and if you want to view bookings by specific service or team member, just filter in your set. Managing your team's time has never been simpler. Schedule shifts, adjust booking hours, and block off time for staff who aren't available, ensuring coverage without double booking or missed appointments. You can also give each staff member access to the calendar so they can easily manage their own time. This feature alone can save you up to 6 hours every week on team coordination. Reservio syncs with popular online calendars like Google or Outlook, which allows you and your team to keep your availability up to date and access schedules from anywhere. And to make absolutely sure your staff don't ever forget an appointment, you can set up notifications. Plus, the schedule can be accessed from any computer, phone, or a tablet thanks to our business app. True real-time availability and scheduling. Try Reservio with a 14-day free trial and explore all features with no commitment. Just create a free account at reservio.com.